What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. We back with another video, another AI trade update. So, as you saw what happened with Palantir, we reported good earnings, came in line with guidance. We've been falling ever since. We back down in 2064. Some of the other cloud stocks been going through a similar fate, but it's very interesting that the timing of everything is going on now with all the analysts upgrading anyway. And I heard Dan Ives, and he just was speaking on it, and I want to talk about it.
Taiwan Semiconductor and SoundHound AI. It's been a mixed picture, especially when it comes to guidance. But our next guest, though, saying that there is a tidal wave underway. There are some key names that are going to benefit. For more on this, we want to bring in Dan Ives, Wedbush Securities Senior Equity Analyst. Dan, it's good to see you. So talk to me about this note that you just put out this morning. The title of it almost says it all. AI revolution spending tidal wave is well underway. That's been seen in Q1 results. What does this then signal, though, about the outperformance then of some of these names to come?
And look, I think it shows this revolution, the monetization is actually now started. And it's not just about Godfather of AI, Jensen, NVIDIA, and what Nadella is doing to Redmond. Now it's the rest of tech. I think names like ServiceNow, Salesforce, Oracle. You look at ARM Holdings. Those are just robust numbers. You're seeing it play out across other areas, Palantir, SoundHound, and what I believe is going to be the rest of software and semis. I think this fourth industrial revolution has begun.
How can investors best determine a healthy amount of...
So what do we take from that, people? He named a lot of our stocks, a lot of the usual suspects, you know what I'm saying? He named Oracle, Salesforce, Palantir, SoundHound. Even though SoundHound is not profitable yet. But what does that mean? Dan Ives is a big analyst, so he's saying he's already starting to see AI spend. Of course, like they say with the Q1 results with Taiwan Semi and those stocks, I get it. But I think he's seeing what's going on behind the scenes. And this is what we've been thinking about for a long time, people. If they're doing the AI spin right now and it's starting to pop up on some of these companies' balance sheet in their quarters, as these next quarters progress, we're going to see more AI spin. I think this is going to be the AI spin season. It's like the semiconductor trade is not over, I don't think, but I also think it's going to be expanded to like the whole infrastructure of the semiconductors. Like two stocks I've been doing a lot with is Modine and Comfort Systems. They're doing the cooling for the AI system. They've been on a tear all year, last year too. Palantir, you know what's up with Palantir, but I feel like this is the calm before the storm of AI spin reporting on everybody's balance sheet. Let's continue a little more on my boy Dan Ives.
Spending on generative AI ambitions versus what seems unhealthy or perhaps over-indexed capital allocation?
Look, if you look at these hyperscale players, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and then you analyze some of the spending that we're seeing from Meta and others, it's just begun. We're not even in first inning. I'd say we're in the dugout in terms of where this is all going. Now, in terms of over-indexing, I think you have to own the right plays. I think you have to have your plays in semis, software, and infrastructure. And I think there's almost a basket approach to this. But even if someone told you 6 months ago Dell would be an AI play, you'd say, okay, you must have had a really good Friday night. But look what's happening. Look at Dell, Oracle, and others. This is a 1995 moment, not a 1999 moment.
Dan, one of the names that we've been talking about a lot when it comes to AI, at least most recently, not so much here over the last several months, but
So, you hear him, man. 1995 moment, not a 99 moment. These stocks are getting ready to do their thing. We need to, of course, this is not investment advice, but I'm trying to load up as much as I can. And not just Palantir. I've been saying this for a minute. I like that software spin starting to report on other companies because that's our thesis for Palantir as well. So it's going to be a lot of stocks we need to load up on, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to be here every step of the way. We're going to watch these markets. We're going to make this money. I'm going to probably be back doing some live trading. I'm going to be getting funded on some futures trading. If any of y'all in the futures, not just options and stocks, I do that too. So, I'll be back in the next video. It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. I'm out.